I did not want to post this trading session, but let's get into it. Welcome back to my journey to become a profitable trader on the Nasdaq Futures. I am currently on an evaluation with the prop firm Trade Day to become a funded trader. We're about a minute away from the open. We are drawing our blue lines here to see where we are currently consolidating here at the end of the pre-market. And here we go. Here's the opening candle, breaking down hard already through that consolidation from the end of the pre-market, but coming right back up. 17.5 point candle to start. Not crazy by any means. We will see that the ATR today is more consistent than it normally is, meaning we started at 17.5 points. There's plenty of times where we see 30-point candles, 20 to 30-point candles, and then it'll drop off pretty quick. But we live in the teens pretty much today. Moving these blue lines here, where the trading range seems to be for these first couple minutes, broke through it. We have not had a very directional day all week. It looks like we might be rearing up for one today. We are breaking down. 12-point candle. So this is at the top of the range where we like to trade, but that previous candle before was like 18, 19 points. Still too volatile for us to get going, but in terms of time frame, it's 8:32 Central Time, almost 8:33. So we have reached the time frame when I would consider entering a trade. Just keeps breaking down below every blue line that I move. Really got some direction here. We might have found the bottom of this current direction. We will see. We turned on our trading account. Might be looking to go short here since the trend is still directionally negative. We don't want to go against the trend, so we'll see. We're in. Positive 2.5, and we're out. This is so frustrating because we might have gone a tick or two above our stop loss, but otherwise it went in our favor. We always talk about our stop loss. It's at 2.5 points, which is pretty tight. But in my back testing, most of the time, if something went negative 2.5 points, it was way more likely to keep going against me than to go turn around and go in my favor. But today we will have a lesson that sometimes we have a day of outliers, and that is today. Very frustrating day. Look at what, we're going long here. Thinking we'd turn that corner, but got stopped out. And that one, the stop loss is a good point because it went negative almost like a full point. So it wasn't in our favor. And yeah, we're still ticking down here. That one, the stop loss proved to be all right. But just like that, we're already out and we're into our sim account to try and work out through this new method where we are entering right before the candle begins. Assuming what that candle's going to be. We went positive 2 points there, 4, but it didn't go 5. So that one, the profit target was just a lot a bit off. The rest of this session will prove to help your guys' confidence and know if you have a bad day, don't worry, other people do too. Stopped out again. We're on our sim account, remember? So we're just trying to really get a feel for things. I know that it feels like it's still in this negative trend, but what it keeps doing, like right there, is it'll pop up more than it normally does and then go red on the same candle. We're going to think it keeps going down. And that one hit. That was our first win of the day. Now remember, our profit target is double what our stop loss is. So that really canceled out 2 trades. But really, we're following the trend here. We have the right mindset. This really should be a green day, but it's just not ended up that way. Stopped out. Look at that. That is right. Like, if I would have had one more tick, I would have been fine there. Watch this go red. What are you going to do? No, never mind. I would have been stopped out anyways. See, sometimes the stop loss proves me right. Right when I'm data driven, not when I'm feeling emotions in the moment. Stopped out. Oh my God. That is because we thought we were approaching that bottom, and we were. So there's a W. See, that's a good win. It has bounced off of here 3 times, and we're like, well, I think it's going to be a 4th, and it is. And that's a trade. When I entered it, it felt good. And I just need to be patient for when that feeling occurs. See, that one, it hit 4. There we go. There's another target. See, it keeps bouncing off of there. If I would have waited until 8:38 to be trading, I would have had $200 right there. Patience is tough, especially since volatility can start slowing down after these first 10 minutes, and I don't do well when the volatility is too low. Stopped out again. So I want to be a part of the action. Entering another one, got stopped out. Thought since we broke below this line that we've been establishing that it would shoot down, but there's nothing, no shooting happening. There it goes. You look at that. That's another one. Look. Right there. This would be a win. This would be a win right now if our stop loss is 2.75. And my emotional brain wants to just move that to 2.75. And maybe with some more back testing, this is not the same theory that I used. Ooh, there's a good C. Oh, that's good. That one was another one where it felt right while I was entering it. Is this, you could feel the momentum as you're watching this candle burst up. And so you were able to get in at a good point. And here, going long again. There we go. This really looks like it's the bottom for at least right now, but I would expect it to turn around. Nothing that has happened this morning would convince me otherwise up to this point. A lot of it's just staring at the charts for long enough and getting to learn kind of how it moves. It's like a wave. Stopped out. Going long. Stopped out. Trading is hard. Stopped. All right. Oh my God. And we're going to try and go. If it breaks, broke above, so we're going to think it's going to keep going, but it just slows down. Look at that. That is the exact tick that we got out on. Man, you do not want to change your whole trading strategy just because of one day. But as I was kind of saying earlier, this back testing that I did wasn't with this exact method. So maybe I need to just get some more data and see if that stop loss does need to be a little bit bigger. And if we're talking a tick or two, that's something that won't bother me too much. This is another one. See, if this keeps going green, that's another one where the stop loss was right there. Yeah, but that was a real loss. See, that I wouldn't have hit my profit target up here. So yeah, just a really bad day. Started off the week really hot, but I think we're going to keep going lower. Hoping, but no, I think we're going to go short here because that's the top, but nope. See what this red candle does just so I know. Yeah, see, that's another. I got stopped out right at the top of this, and then it broke down to my profit target. Man, oh man. Yeah, we will see. Yeah, so on our sim account, we lost over $400 today. But that's why we switch over to it. So we lost our normal $100. If you do want to see what it looks like when I'm actually having a good day, check out this video right here. But that's about it. I will see you guys tomorrow, where I will continue documenting my trading journey so that you know that you are not alone on yours. Thanks, guys.